This is the Main Street grade crossing located on the Iowa Interstate Peoria Branch in Putnam, Illinois. Here we have two gateless signals, each with incandescent lights and one E-bell. This is an overview looking east. Look here at the western signal. Got a really old clamp style base, guessing WRRS. Here's the emergency information, dot number 603960S, thankfully facing forward. Lights are 12 by 24 inch Safetran incandescents with a Safetran junction box. These were installed by CSX in the 90s. Back view of the lights. Back view of the western signal. We'll come over and look at the eastern signal real quick. Chasing SIPE currently. He's still back by Bureau, but he'll be here relatively soon. He's only got one engine, so he's going to be crawling through here. Here's somebody now looking west. A good look here at the eastern signal. This one's a brand new one, basically. I don't know why they mounted the crossbuck like that. That looks so ugly. But up top, we got a slow-ringing WCH Type 2 E-bell. Here's the dot tag again. Got a clamp-style WCH base. And then the lights are older 12 by 24 inch WCH incandescents. Back to the lights. This also has a Safetran junction box. And back to the eastern signal. Here's the relay bungalow in the southwest quadrant. The grade here is all wood. Track you facing north towards the connection with the Blue Island sub in Bureau. And track you facing south towards Henry, Chillicothe, and Peoria. So originally the signal on this side was installed by the Rock Island back in the probably 50s or something. CSX replaced the lights on it with 12 by 24 inch Safetran incandescents. This piece of the Iowa Interstate here used to be owned by CSX, going from Bureau down to Henry up until the mid-2000s when Iowa Interstate took it over. A signal on this side was installed recently. It replaced a signal similar to this one, except it had a GS Type 1 E-bell. And I believe this is the first E-bell on E-bell replacement for the Peoria branch. Again, I don't know why they mounted the crossbuck like that. Why didn't put it higher up? And then, oddly enough, the old signal on this side used to have Safetran incandescents. Again, those were installed by CSX. I'm not sure where these WCH lights came from because they're definitely not brand new by any means. Must have come from another crossing that Iowa Interstate replaced somewhere else. Maybe they came from 1st Street in LaSalle, but I'm not sure. But anyways, ICC has this crossing labeled for replacement in the next few years with brand new gated signals, so be good to get a few more videos of this crossing while I can. They got a bunch of crossings marked for replacement on the Peoria branch between here and Peoria, including 5 crossings down in Chillicothe, so I'm going to try to get a bunch more videos from this line soon. Thankfully with SIPE coming, we can do that today. But anyways, this has been the Main Street grade crossing.